Milani products are very good, and for the price, $10, you can't go wrong. Nice sleek packaging, nice pump, and I got it on sale, of course.
And I got a big head, I'm blessed.
Alright guys, so today we're doing a review on the new Milani Dewy setting spray, babies. If you want to know more about how I feel about this new Milani Dewy setting spray, I swear guys, I feel like I'm so late for these new releases. Like, for someone who's trying to grow, you would think I would try to get on the bandwagon and do things right away, but that would be me just copying everybody else and not being authentic, because when it comes out right away, I usually don't know if I'm interested in it or not. I have to see about it, read about it, learn about it, check my pockets, check my bank, and then see what's up, and then go and buy it, right? And then I have to test it consistently before I bring it to you guys. So technically I can never get on the bandwagon, right? Yeah, so if you want to know more, stay tuned, it's coming up. Voilà, salut à tous, salut les amis. Je vous montre un nouveau produit de Milani. C'est leur nouveau spray pour la peau, je pense que la peau sèche ou normale à sèche, mais je pense que tout le monde peut utiliser. Il suffit seulement de mélanger avec un spray qui est matifiant si votre peau est huileuse ou gras. Donc voilà, je vous donne mon opinion rapidement par rapport à ce produit, et il y aura un petit haul qui va suivre après, juste quelques produits de beauté que j'ai rachetés. Donc pour commencer, je vous dis toujours merci de revenir voir mes vidéos. Il faut liker, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner aussi. Donc voilà le nouveau setting spray de Milani, ça s'appelle Make It Dewy. Je pense que c'est pour la peau sèche, mais c'est un setting spray qui est fait pour hydrater. Donc je pense que tout le monde a besoin d'hydrater sa peau. Donc quand on voit lumineux et hydraté, c'est pas mauvais, ok? Lumineux peut être autre chose, mais hydratant c'est très bien, ok? Donc si vous avez la peau huileuse, je pense que vous pouvez bien utiliser, parce que ça hydrate et puis ça garde votre make-up look très joli pendant toute une longue journée. Moi j'ai beaucoup aimé. Vous savez bien que j'ai aussi aimé le Make It Last All Day, mais là je pense que ça c'est mieux pour moi parce que ça hydrate, alors que le Make It Last, le premier setting spray qui est sorti, n'est pas hydratant. Donc voilà la différence. Je pense que les deux, le mix des deux sera une bonne affaire. Donc ce produit réclame de protéger votre make-up look pendant au moins 16 heures, et oui, j'avoue que c'est très possible parce que moi je travaille et j'ai de longues journées et j'ai eu à tester. Ce produit est magnifique. De toute façon, la majorité des produits de Milani ne m'ont pas dessus, donc moi je trouve que si vous voulez l'acheter à $10, même sans solde, sans coupon, sans rabais, je vous dis absolument, il faut le faire. Voilà, on le trouve presque partout, ou même sur milani.com, sur leur site. Mais moi, j'ai pris pour moi à CVS avec les coupons toujours. Donc, c'est un peu ça. Donc, ça, c'est un produit que je vais racheter dans le futur. Donc, voilà, c'est tout. Et là, ça vous donne 60 ml de produit. Et j'aime aussi ça parce que c'est bien pour voyager avec. C'est très petit et voilà, c'est confortable. Ça ne prend pas trop de place. Et le spray aussi bien. J'ai cassé le mien là, mais bon, voilà. Le spray aussi bien. Là, tu fais... Et tu peux aussi rafraîchir pendant la journée avec ce spray, ça ne dérange pas ton make-up look. Donc on va voir le reste du haul, et merci encore de me supporter, de prier le bon Dieu. Revenez voir mes vidéos récentes bien sûr, et dans le futur aussi. Ramenez votre compagnon, votre ami, votre famille, je sais pas qui. Et merci toujours et toujours prier le bon Dieu, et on se voit la prochaine. Ciao, bye. Alright guys, so we're gonna do the review of what I got recently. It's just a couple of things that I'm repurchasing. You guys know I always like to replenish as I go, and I always like to find good gems and test it out and bring it to you guys. And we're also going to talk about my opinion on the new Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. So let's get to it. The first thing I got is more of the NYX. So I got more of the NYX HD concealers. You guys know I love these. The two that I got the other time were like, they were pretty much my skin tone. When I put them on, they looked a little bit more like closer to my skin tone. So on the packaging, it was looking like it would be light, but it wasn't. And then when I saw these two right here, I thought they were going to be way too light for me, but no guys, I've tested these two out. The colors are tan and caramel, and they are perfect on my skin tone for highlighting. And obviously I can always mix this with my other two that I got. These are amazing for highlighting. They are not light at all. They're very creamy. They photograph so well, you guys. And with the sale at CVS, like, you have to stock up on these. So this one is the color tan. So that is tan right there, just beautiful. This is caramel, a little bit lighter. Okay, can you see? That is caramel right there. Like, caramel is kind of light though, but it works perfectly for me even without mixing. I love it so much. And remember, I told you guys I got the color ebony to do a really harsh contour, and now I got the color deep rich, and it's a really natural, like, bronzy type of contour for me, and I love this. And of course I can mix this with my other one to even make a newer shade that's in between, but this is also gorgeous for my contour. I love this because even if I put a lot, I can still fix it with no problem. That is deep rich right there, guys. I love these concealers. Like, these are so good for the price. It's amazing. Again, these cost like $4.99. I don't know, they're just so good. I love it. I love them so much. So yes, I have about like 5 of these, and I can't get enough of these. I really like these also because with the wand, I find it so easy for me to point. Like, I can do just dots, you know what I mean, and just do a little bit, and I can really calculate like my jawbone right here and really place the wand on my jawbone, so it makes it easier to better contour and better calculate where to locate it. So you locate it right here and you put it right on your jawbone. So that's like perfect for me. And also I think deep rich is a better contour for my nose also because it's lighter. So that's also why I really like these products right here. You guys know I always recommend Wet n Wild, and they came out with newer stuff, and I wanted to get these brow pens before, but they didn't have it when I first went back there to get the eyeshadows. And I went back and I got the color brown, and because they had a really good sale, I was like, oh my god, let me just stock up in case I really like it. And guys, this is the color dark brown. It's so waxy, right? It's like a perfect wax type of consistency and a perfect color shade for me. But the problem with it is, like, I don't like the shape of it, guys. Oh, that's just how that looks like right there. Love the color, love the waxiness of it. It's not too much. Love the packaging. Like, it's robust, like very big in terms of the pen. And this is a really short brush right here. And guys, I'm having a hard time using this because you see how the end is right there. It's hard for me to use this. I like the formula, but so it comes out like this, so it's not pointy like a crayon like the other ones. It's not like sharp and like precise, so this is hard for me to use. I've never seen one like this. I don't know, I'm not liking this too much in terms of the application, but the quality is perfect. Like, look at how nice that is, and your brow will stay in place. You don't even have to set it. That's the color right there, and that's just how that is. It's nice and flat and thick, but not pointy. So it's not my type of application style. It's a good quality product if you can work this. Let me know your thoughts on how to use it, but a lot of people love this. And then next, they also had a matte setting spray that also came out as a newer Wet n Wild product for people who want the matte look or for people who have oily skin. But I like this natural finish one because it's just nice packaging, very convenient, and I have normal to dry skin, so I always go for like just a regular spray or a little bit hydrating or luminous, or a hydrating and luminous spray. Or you can mix matte and normal just to get what you want. You can mix both. No one says you have to do what it says that it is meant for, so you can choose what you want. But this is just a repurchase for me. I didn't like their old primer, and they have a new Do It Luminous primer, and this kind of reminds me of the Backlight, but a thicker version that's a little bit stickier, or it reminds me of the Primerizer, but again, this is a little bit more sticky. I like it actually. It really performed well for me, and it's a more of a beige type of color, so it has a little bit of a tint when you put it on. It definitely has like shiny particles, not crazy, but you can definitely, you know that it's going to be luminous. So I definitely like this if you want to get it. it's definitely something that's worth adding to your collection, especially because of the price. But I actually was really impressed because with the new launches, they also decided in certain CVS stores to expand their shades. They never used to have my shades at CVS, and I had gotten the color mocha, but I found that mocha works for me, especially in the winter. It was just way too orange in terms of undertone, so it wasn't working out for me. So I prefer to get a shade darker, and this one is Espresso, and this is the cooler undertone, right? So I think this one works well for me. So in case you wanted to know, so here's the mocha, okay, and here's the Espresso. If they didn't have this in store, I wasn't gonna order online or go looking for it. So I'm glad that this came in stores, because I almost was like, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna be done with this foundation, because the smell also is weird. Although it's really good, it like films so well, I just felt like this was like way too orange. Like I can wear this, but it's just really orange, and for the summer it just wouldn't work. And so I would mix this with the foundation that was more of a neutral or cool undertone to tone it down a little bit. And now that I have this, I'm really happy. I can wear this alone and it's good. And for the price and the sale, it's just amazing. So I'm just gonna swatch mocha a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because sometimes people who are new in makeup are like, what do you mean by orange? But do you see how orange that is in terms of undertone in comparison to my skin tone? That's very orange. And let me swatch Espresso so you guys can see. Espresso is more cooler. I have a little bit of warm undertone, but not too much. So that is Espresso. So this is Espresso. You can see the difference, right guys? Can you guys see the difference? This is cooler and this is so orange. The orange was just like so apparent when I first applied it, so I had to really work it with powder and stuff to make it work. But I was like, I'm done with that. But I'm glad that I got the Espresso. So again, mocha and Espresso, there you go. And I also decided to try the NYX eye and eyebrow pencil, and guys, they're very pigmented, but when I use it on my eye line, I feel like, especially this purple violet one, because I'm looking for an eyeliner like this color exactly, but that's easy to apply. But this was hard for me to apply. It won't really show like this on my eye line, and it will just make me water a lot and my makeup will move, and I just don't know about this color right here. So this one is purple and violet right there. This color is actually better, and it's actually shimmery. I didn't know they made like pencils with shimmer. So this one is called a green shimmer, and this one applies a little bit better on my waterline. So look at that green right there. It's just so gorgeous. I wish the purple did the same thing, because I was actually going for this purple one. I have yet to find a good one. I used to like the Jordana ones, but it's hard to find Jordana. They used to have it at Walgreens and they discontinued a lot of them, and now I can't find it and I ran out of it. So there you go. Last but not least, the best for last, the new Milani setting spray. I think this is amazing. You can use it even if you're oily skin. I have normal to dry, so it's meant, I think, for them. But I think whenever you see hydrating, you can use it. The only hard thing for most people is when it says illuminating, because it might be a little bit dewy or might have glitter. But I think when it's illuminating, you can. Nothing says that you cannot mix this with the matte setting spray. Like you can mix this with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I actually emptied mine because they're really good, but I prefer this one because it hydrates my skin. I love when I put this on how it performed. Milani products are very good, and for the price, $10, you can't go wrong. Nice sleek packaging, nice pump, and I got it on sale, of course. And it also says it would last for 16 hours of wear, which I do agree. I've tested it that long and it's pretty impressive. So if you are thinking of getting this, I strongly recommend you do it. It's an amazing product. So yes guys, that is all for this haul. Let me know what you think. Always intentional purchases, nothing crazy, nothing that we won't use, nothing that we won't empty out. You know, they're always intentional, on the budget, and I'm bringing it to you guys so that you can have your info ready for when you're ready to break that bank. But we never want to break the bank when we don't have money. We never want to break the bank when we see my video pop up on your feed. Look at it for entertainment, to learn. When you're ready, you go and get it, but don't ever buy because you saw a video. Unless you came for that, then yeah, but don't go broke trying to get beauty products. It's never a good thing, okay? So don't say I didn't warn you. So thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video. I feel like every YouTuber says that, and it's becoming a little bit cliche. What do you guys think? Should I keep telling you guys to subscribe? Because I feel like by now most people know to subscribe and to like and to comment, and I think people will do it if they want to, if they're inclined to. So I don't know, I feel like I don't want to say it so much because I feel like it becomes a little bit redundant and quite annoying sometimes. I hate when I'm watching a video and people keep saying that, but then studies show that whenever you keep saying it, people actually do subscribe. So I don't know, it's kind of an oxymoron. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to always praise God. Thank you again for watching, and mwah, ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.